How to recover my WhatsApp account without phone number and without email. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can recover WhatsApp account if you don't have access to phone number or email. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Here, recovering a WhatsApp account without access to your phone number or email can be challenging, as WhatsApp relies heavily on phone numbers for authentication. However, there are some steps to regain access. The first one, if you have previously linked your account on WhatsApp Web or WhatsApp Desktop, you might still have access to your chat. So you can open WhatsApp Web or Desktop app on any device you might have used before in order to get access to your old account. But in case if you have not logged into WhatsApp Web or WhatsApp Desktop, the other way is to contact WhatsApp support. So for that, open up Google and search for WhatsApp support. Go to the first link. Then tap on Contact Us. If you scroll down a bit, there you have a form to explain your situation. Type in your phone number, provide your email address, confirm, and select the device that you use, WhatsApp. And under that, you have to enter your message. You can mention that you don't have access to your phone number or email, and provide as much information as possible, such as the last known phone number, approximate account creation date, your device details on it, or any other relevant information to verify your ownership. Once done, tap on Next. And once you have sent this form to WhatsApp support, it's gonna verify your request and we'll get back to you with the help. The third method to resolve this is to recover your phone number. If your phone number is inactive but still registered under your name, you can always contact your telecom provider or recover the number. Request a SIM replacement or reactivation. Once the number is reactivated, now you can verify your WhatsApp account. Or in case if you want to recover your associated email, attempt to recover it. Use the email provider's recovery tool, for example Google, Outlook, or Yahoo, and then provide all the recovery details such as your secondary email or security questions. And once the email is recovered, you can always reset any linked account. So these are all the way to fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.